Hello friends, welcome you all to Polity Simplified series of Dnyanadeep Academy. Today's focus article is article number 48. Let's try to understand what is the theme behind article 48. Article 48 has two important agendas. It talks about agriculture first agenda, it talks about animal husbandry second agenda, and it talks about improvement of drought breeds, milch breeds, cattle breeds. So two, agriculture and animal husbandry are the two most important agendas which are being expected to be dealt by article 48. So agriculture, organization of agriculture and animal husbandry on scientific lines. Here three important case laws are there which you should remember. One is Abdul Hakim Qureshi versus State of Bihar. Abdul Hakim Qureshi versus State of Bihar 1961. Muhammad Hanif Qureshi versus State of Bihar 1959. And third one is State of Gujarat versus Mirzapur Moti Qureshi Kasab 2005. These three important case laws are there. If you are preparing for law, just go through these three case laws which are very essential for you to get a complete understanding or an insight into article 48. What it says, let's try to understand a very interesting article. See, it says, the state shall endeavor, that is, state will make an attempt, state will make efforts to organize agriculture and animal husbandry on modern and scientific lines. So what it says, that state should take every possible efforts to organize agriculture and animal husbandry on scientific lines, modern lines. That's why government makes various schemes, provides various benefits, provides various financial assistance to carry out agriculture and animal husbandry on modern and scientific lines, and shall in particularly, that is particularly, state will take an effort, take step for preserving and improving the breeds and prohibiting the slaughter of cows and calves and their milch and drought cattle. So basically, organizing agriculture and animal husbandry on scientific line is first objective. Second objective is preserving and improving the breeds. Why? Many indigenous breeds are on the verge of extinct. Why we are not focusing on them? We are hungry for economic growth, but we are losing our economic development. We are losing many of our indigenous milch and drought breeds to this entire race for producing more and more milk, producing more and more all other things. That's how we are losing our indigenous breeds. So it shall be the duty of the state that state should take care to protect, preserve all these indigenous breed is second objective. And third objective, that state should prohibit it. State should prohibit specifically slaughter of cows and calves and other milch and drought cattle. So these three are the important objectives which are being expected to be studied in article 48. See, here one very important point that I want to say is that whenever you are going to study the article, always remember you have to structure, you have to break that article into what it says, and once you break that article, it becomes very easier for you to understand that article in a very simple and sober language. That's all from my side. Keep watching and please share our videos. Thank you.